So hey guys, so Lenovo is hiring for associate software engineer role for AI and Python role in Bangalore location. So if you are interested for applying this job, you can get the apply link in our YouTube channel description, or else if you are watching this video in Instagram, you can get the apply link in our bio guys. So here is the job description and roles and responsibilities for this role. So here is the job requisition ID. You can contact if any kind of referral if you want. And here is the job description, guys. So in this job description, they are clearly mentioned they are required for experienced candidates, kind of fresher candidates, kind of you are currently in 2026 batch. You can easily apply this job. Their required education qualification was bachelor degree in CS, IT, A&DS, data science, or any other relevant fields in computer science. And here is a tech stack they are required for. So they just clearly mentioned they have a basic strong knowledge in programming DSA and kind of preferred AI skills, kind of GPT, Copilot, and automations and AI integration, and basic some kind of technical soft skills are also needed for this job role. So if you are interested for this job, you can get the apply link in our YouTube channel description, guys.